Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very easy breakfast with a packet of Maggi noodles and 4 slices of bread. This is a very quick recipe with a very few ingredients, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Add 1 cake of Maggi to 3 cups of hot water. You can crumble a little and add it as such. Give it a quick mix. Now the Maggi is perfectly done and ready, so drain off the water and allow the Maggi to cool a little. To heat a pan, into this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is hot, add the Maggi taste maker that comes along with the Maggi packet. Give it a quick mix. Now to this add the cooked Maggi and mix it well. Saute for at least 2 minutes until the Maggi is completely dry. After 2 minutes the noodles is ready, so off the flame and keep this ready. To a small mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of Maida and some water. Mix it well to get a paste like this. Keep this ready as well. Take 4 bread slices and trim the edges. Now with a rolling pin, roll the bread a little. Place a layer of Maida paste in one of the edges. Place a tablespoon of the cooked Maggi and fold it this way. Now it's ready to get fried. Likewise, make all the bread Maggi and keep it ready. Heat a pan, into this add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add the Maggi bread and toast for 1 minute in medium flame. After 1 minute, flip it to the other side and let this again toast for 1 more minute in medium flame. Now after 1 minute, both sides are well toasted and ready, so remove from the pan. Now a delicious bread Maggi breakfast is ready. Very easy, delicious, healthy and an instant recipe. So do try this bread Maggi breakfast recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Today I have a bread slice. Place 2 kisses chocolate on it. Cover it with another slice of bread. Give it a slight press. Then using a cookie cutter, make a cut in the center. You can go with your favorite shape. Then remove the extra bread slices. Also remove the cookie cutter. Then brush some ghee on top of it. Then heat a tawa and brush some ghee on it. Toast the chocolate bread in medium flame for 1 minute. Then flip it to the other side and again toast for 1 more minute in medium flame. After a minute, remove from the pan. Spread some peanut butter on top. Finally, sprinkle some colorful sprinkles on top and your delicious dessert made with chocolate and bread is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this chocolate bread recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.